guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today we will be drawing a very simple racing car. This is a request that I got earlier a few months ago, so I'm gonna draw it today. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. So I'm gonna start off with drawing the racing car. This is very easy lines. You can do it within few minutes, and I will show you how I colored it as well at the end of this video, so hope you enjoy. So now I'm just going to color it and I'll show you the final look. This is the final look of the racing car. As you can see, very simple, very easy, and bunch of bright colors will do the trick. So I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below for you to buy products. There are a lot of products that you can buy there, different kinds actually, so check it out when you have time. And now I put some next videos for you to check out as well. I hope you like those as well, and don't forget to hit that face logo to subscribe to my channel, so I bring a video every week. And you can always request something for me to draw as well. So then I'll see you next time. Bye.